with the water, play with the water. Oh no, I pressed record again. Hello kitty. Hey, so we have our usual morning spread, the same breakfast for the last 2 days. Today is exactly the same. And so we don't need to show you. I don't need to show you today. This place comes with this water dispenser, so that's good. I'm gonna make some coffee right now. Coffee is instant coffee. It's not too bad. Okay, this is mine. This is mine. I'll take this one. It's gone. It's gone. Oh my god, what if it's real? Good morning, it's so hot now, it's 10:30 and we are heading off to Ubud. Ubud. It's a motorbike van. The boards. There's so many boards. Don't massage me. It's done with rib curl and also a coffee shop. Huh? 不是Lipo Mall 我们那天有去 Yep. We're now on our way to the paddy fields. Back to nature. I think we are near the rice paddy fields now. I can feel it. We are here to see the waterfall. This is as we're walking into the waterfall, some shops selling song and snacks and drinks. Oh, there's even a gelato place. Huh? Okay, let's go from here. Viewing of the waterfall. went down these steps. So imagine the way up. Going down. Further down. Where the waterfall is. Walking these roads. Up with the waterfall. Bye. See you soon. Heading back now. Hope you enjoyed it. Trying to catch my breath before the next flight of steps. Next flight of steps. I'm not healthy at all. Climbing up. See, I cannot even talk. Climbing up the flight of steps. I was there. Now I'm here. Oh, 快点喝了，快点喝。You drink faster than the lead. Keep getting asked to buy sarong and ice cream. Huh? And fan. Everybody wants a fan. Place with the pork. Place of pork. What is this place called? Cheers.
Pour beer.
Mine is mine is not, you know.
Oh yeah, so fast bố What are you eating? Keropok. How much is it? 10,000 rupiah.
1块钱。
Okay. Food is here. Food has arrived. What do we have? Soup. We got fish. Is that fish?
No.
It's not fish.
No,
Oh, it's not fish, it's pork. This is fried pork. That is curry pork. That is sausage. That is vegetables. And this is rice. Pork. Enjoy. Enjoy. Okay, I'm gonna try this. 哎，不是霸王，霸 pork liver. 猪肝。Not too bad.
没有了。
Done with the food. Food is over.
2 more pieces.
No, I ate so much on it. Done with lunch. It is 3:20.
那个3.2.2的事情。
Going to the paddy field. Doggy's running amok. What's he doing, man? Oh, he's like the Tibetan area. Done with the food. Now heading off to rice paddy fields. We are in Ubud. Oh yeah. Yeah, lor. Handicraft road. Full of handicraft stuff. The rice paddy fields. We are approaching the rice paddy fields, and there are a lot of touristy shops around here. What do we do here? Oh, I think that's the entrance. This is where the rice paddy fields are. Check it out. the rice paddy fields. Nothing. There's nothing to see.
收花有用
I
过
mean
吗？
there is, but it's just
用过吗？
just that one view. Nothing to do. 哎，妈咪，你不要拍照。Okay, so I think you can just go walk down if you want to. Ah, 他们有那个价钱。I'm just walking through the roads, looking for some nice batik shorts for Rebecca Chu. 啊，不知道嘞。Oh. Huh? You want this? I love Bali. Back to the car. I did not explore further and go into the rice paddy fields, but we got some nice pictures. And Rebecca bought two pants, two shorts.
Let me show you. It's skirts, you know.
It's skirts.
See, the first one is this one.
Yeah, nice.
This one.
Nice purple color.
This one is like.
This is purple and black. I think this is very nice.
This one and this one is.
Yeah, yeah, I like this.
Yeah, like this one. It has elephants on it.
Yep.
It's purple again. And it's white.
Very nice, very nice.
You want to buy it? You want to buy pants?
Yeah, she wants to buy a skirt. And then Daddy's like thinking, can I wear a singlet?
Yeah, look at him.
Yeah, he's trying to find a card. No, like, I think he knows.
It's just right in front of him. Oh, yeah,
Guys, I feel so sad that we're leaving tomorrow. Oh yeah, great.
So we have the same.
有他那边，
你买了哈那个 skirt？
哎，5块钱，新加坡钱。
Greedy. Ah,
It's late. I don't know what this 50 billion extra means.
extra in the bag.
哎，它晒什么太阳？
啊？
然后这样有晒到什么太阳？
游泳咯，
差不多嘛。
Back to Seminyak, to Kuta Central. Huh? Oh no, look at the lens. Hi, we are now at Star Center. This is Star Center. And we are in Italian restaurant called El Dente. El Dente. Ordering some food now. Okay, we ordered some special drinks, and later you can get to see it.
I ordered one Barbie.
You must say probably Barbie, not Barbie. Barbie is big.
I'm Barbie.
Barbie.
One Barbie.
Okay, yeah. And I got the bride. Bride.
You are pride, right?
Yeah.
Not sloth, right?
No. I like the ingredients in Pride because it has sambuca, it has Irish
Why they
whiskey.
call it that?
I don't know, like, just put a name to it. Make it fun. Make it fun. Let's go.
Hello, tree.
What's the capital of Singapore? Jurong East.
Jurong East.
Barbie.
Cho nên cái xấu vào cái lòng
It's like a biscuit or
Is it a biscuit or yogurt or what?
is it
Oh,
chocolate?
biscuit.
Chocolate.
How's your Barbie drink? Grilled baby chicken. Didn't sound right. Sea bream. I have not drank it.
Huh?
I didn't drink it. And clams. Fusilli. Al pollo loco. Rebecca's having lasagna. Hello guys, we are back. It was another fun day, day 3 of Bali. Today we went to a couple of places. The first one was the Waterfall, where I hope you had a good time watching as I took you through the journey to the waterfall and back. And then the next destination was the rice paddy fields. So I did not get to walk up the paddy fields, but I did take some nice shots and as well as some videos. And I tried the 30 times optical zoom of my camera, and it worked pretty well. So I had some shots of really zoomed in to the people who were walking on the field, and then there's this guy who was like, pulling out the grass or harvesting, I'm not too sure. Yep, so I hope you enjoyed that. And tomorrow we are heading back to Singapore. I'm a little bit, both happy and sad. Happy because I'm going back, and also enjoying the Christmas holidays. It's just 2 days away. Sad because I really like Bali. I think I'm gonna come back again, and the next time I'll definitely try the surf school. I did visit the rip curl shop today as well, and spoke to this guy who was really helpful. He told me quite a bit about surfing, how to choose a surfboard, and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna do more research about surfing and maybe try more of it in 2016. Okay, so I'll sign off with a quote for tonight. Okay, tonight's quote is a little bit serious. So it says, "You are free to choose. You are free to choose, but you are not free from the consequence of your choice." Right? So remember to choose wisely, even though you have a choice. You gotta make sure you pick the right one, and if not, well, you've got to live with consequences. All right. Good night and bye. See you.